right, as you can see, wheels are still off at powder coat, so we're kind of in the past, but I can't wait to install the catless X pipe. So go ahead and do that. And also, while the car's up, I might try to lower the rear. When I took off the wheels, I noticed that the springs are upside down, so I'm gonna flip them, obviously. Or at least the spring perch is upside down. But yeah, should sound a lot nicer, you know? And you know, California, people be stealing cats all the time, so just gotta take him out so he doesn't get stolen. Got the mid pipe disassembled right here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Yeah. I don't want people stealing these things, you know? Yeah, you motherfuckers ain't taking my cat, bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Take that shit. There ain't nothing for you to sell. Anyways. Got that set up. Going under? Oh, hey. Can I get one light?
Oh my god. Try down to the lights.